How to recover TikTok account after banned. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to go to our support center or help center here at TikTok. Just type in support.tiktok.com, and once you're routed to this page, you can see this one. Alright, now all we need to do is to click on or search in unban TikTok account and hit on enter. So let's just wait for the results. Now we have the results in here. All we need to do is to click on account safety. In this section, you will be given a series of informations on how to keep your account safe. Alright, so let's go to here, contacting TikTok about banned accounts. So there are actually ways. If you believe your account was banned incorrectly, let us know by submitting an appeal. To submit an appeal, open the notification, tap appeal, and follow the instructions provided. Alright, another way is also here in the deleting your account section, simply go to please send a report here. So let's click on this one, and in here you can input your email address, your TikTok username, and the topic. So here we can click on account ban or suspension. Now let's tell us more, and you can for example, ban account age related, and then explain to them why you should be unbanned from TikTok. Also, in order for them to know more about your issue, upload any images or any proof that supports your concern, and then tick on these boxes and hit on submit. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.